Behold, this is the elevator at the Trigg Hall in the University of Maryland Eastern Shore in Princess Anne, Maryland. It's gonna be my second ride today, cause with the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, the view quality is way better. And we all know that it's been modded before in 2011 by Kone. It's a good thing they have floor indicators on every floor. Here it comes. Let's go to, 4 slot. We'll go to 3. Yep, like I said, 4 is locked. 2. We're at 3. Triple ding on this one. Not that I like to see, yeah. Let's go back to 1. Let's go get our cab view. This cab is a little bit big, but still hospital size, I think. There's no certificate, but we have your emergency phone button. The capacity is 2,500 pounds. Yep, 2,500 pounds the capacity. I'm gonna take something on the ride. Whatsoever. I don't know why they still have the same lantern shape like the letter V. Yep, here it be. Yep, you ready? Which is the main floor? That's what I'm excited to one day, yeah. That's what you cruise.